If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're
good day for everyone. The General Manager of the Iloilo City Public School Teachers and Employees Multipurpose Cooperative, Mr. Mamento Rodriguez, is announcing to the members that the forthcoming annual General Assembly of this cooperative will be on March 21, 2015 at the Sarabia Manor Hotel and Convention Center. We are reminding our members to be with us on that important day so that we can have a good discussion and perhaps raise the clarification, questions, and file your resolutions as far as your concern is concerned. So we feel that in the management we should invite everyone to be there and enjoy with us. There are a lot of things that will happen this 2015 General Assembly. We will be giving a very good cash gift for the appearance of the members during the General Assembly. There are a lot of raffles that will be undertaken by the cooperative. And of course, there will be awards to our members, more especially those who have the highest share capital in the cooperative. And those who are good payers of the cooperative will also receive cash gift. We will be very much happy we can be together again for at least after 1 year. This will be an added chapter to the journey of our cooperative towards realizing our goals. That is providing our members with an increase and responsive services for them. And we are also inviting them because we would like to get them involved in the undertakings of our cooperative. Let us remember that the success of the cooperative depends in the membership. Without you, the cooperative will never reach its goal. But with you, we are assured that we can be together in our travel towards the achievements of our goal.
Okay. Sir, ang theme natin, sir, for this year,
the theme this year is building a cooperative of enterprising members. So we will be promoting entrepreneurship in our cooperative. We will give attention to our members who are into micro, small and medium enterprises. We will help them through training and education, technical assistance, and of course, the need for capital will come later after undergoing all the trainings, technical assistance that will be imparted to them. In other words, they will be ready to use additional capital to assure the success of their business.
Okay, sir. Kumpara sa last year kay subong, sir, ang members subong nagdamo o kung nagbuhin?
Well, we have increased our membership. So we expect more or less mga 800 to 1,000 members that will attend the General Assembly. By the way, there will be free lunch, free snack in the morning and in the afternoon.
So for sir, ano man sir ang mga problems encountered so far ninyo sa inyong mga members?
Usual, the problems, just like any other cooperative, there are members who have chosen to be different. They have to update their payments of their loans. And of course, you miss this many benefits that the co-op will be extending to the members who are in good standing. So be always a MIG or member in good standing so that you will enjoy the privileges and benefits extended by our cooperative.
Okay, sir, lastly sir, ang message natin sir sa ato nga mga kliyente ba di sir?
So together let us work. If we have the solid support of everybody, we are assured of a successful operation of the cooperative. Be enlightened of whatever is taking place in our cooperative. You are an indicator of our success in the operation of our cooperative. So good luck and God bless us all.
Okay, thank you sir.